Good morning, students. I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, and today we will discuss S block elements. In last lecture, we discussed about periodic table and its classification. The classification of periodic table we have discussed as S block elements, P block element, D block elements, and F block element. In this lecture, we will discuss about S block elements. After this lecture, we shall able to define and explain general properties of S block elements. Let we start with S block elements. S block elements are those elements in which last electron enters in the S subshell of valence shell. Means S block element last electron enters in S subshell of valence shell. Their general electronic configuration is noble gas NS2, where S is subshell, this is noble gas, and N is principal quantum number. The whole S block elements are divided into two groups. Our periodic table have 18 groups, out of which 2 groups is assigned to S block elements. Those elements which are present in group first are called alkali metal. Alkali metal is part of S block elements, and these alkali metal are named as lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. This francium is radioactive in nature. Second group contain alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal are named as beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Let me explain the meaning of alkali. Alkali meaning highly basic in nature, while alkaline is less basic. Now we will discuss general properties of S block elements. The first property of S block element is large size. All the S block elements are high size, large size, and the size increases as we move down the group. Now it is clear that lithium have smallest size while francium have largest size. In the same way, beryllium have least size while radium have largest size. The second property is ionization energy. Ionization energy is amount of energy required to remove outermost electron, or we can say valence electron. And this ionization energy is inversely proportional to size. Mean if size is large, ionization energy will be small. Now it is clear that as we move down the group, ionization energy decreases. In the alkali series, lithium have highest ionization energy, francium have least ionization energy. In the same way, beryllium have largest ionization energy and radium have least ionization energy. Third is highly metallic character. Metal mean natural tendency to donate electron. All these S block elements have a natural tendency to donate electron. So it is clear that these are metal, and this metallic character down the group increases. We can say that lithium is least metallic while francium is most metallic. In the same way, beryllium is least metallic and radium is highest metallic. The fourth is low electron affinity. Like ionization energy, they have low electron affinity, and electron affinity also shows same pattern. That's mean as we move down the group, like ionization energy, electron affinities also decreases. Next property is highly reactive. All the S block elements are highly reactive elements, and these are that's why these are stored in either paraffin or kerosene oil. The highly reactive nature of these S block element is due to low ionization energy. Next is low melting point. The melting point of alkali metal as well as alkaline earth metal are very low because of weak intermolecular metallic bond. Since there is weak intermolecular metallic bond, their melting and boiling point are very low. Once again, the seventh property is low density. That is, as we have earlier discussed, because of large size, they have low density because density is inversely proportional to size. Next is impart color on flame. When we heat these alkali metal in the presence of a flame, that flame give a characteristic color depending upon the nature of alkaline or alkali metal. We can detect the presence of alkali and alkaline earth metal by observing the color of this flame. And the last property is basic character. Since the alkali and alkaline earth metal are basic in nature because of low ionization energy. Both are basic. Out of alkali and alkaline earth metal, alkali are more basic and alkaline are less basic. This is a little about S block element, and in next lecture we will discuss about P block element. Thank you.